Okay, so our topic 3 notes are financial applications. If you haven't done the warm-up yet, you should try the warm-up before watching the video. So we need to show that it's geometric, and to show that, you want to show that it has a common ratio and it's the same number every time. So you do that by dividing each number by the number before. So the common ratio should be 12 divided by 3, and it should be the same as 48 divided by 12 and 192 divided by 48, and you get 4 each time. Therefore, you can say it's geometric. To find u sub n, they're asking you to write a formula for u sub n. And so start by writing out the formula and substitute in the u sub 1 and the r. So this is your formula. Then it says, hence, find u sub 9. So that means the ninth term. We substitute 9 for n, and so 9 minus 1 gives us an exponent of 8. And then you should get 196,608. So our topic today is financial mathematics, and this formula right here will give you compound interest after n time periods, where u sub 0 is the initial investment, I is the interest rate per compounding period written as a decimal, and n is the number of time periods, which is not necessarily the same as the number of years. So in the first problem, $5,000 is invested for 4 years at 7% interest compounded annually. So the 5,000 is your u sub 0. 7% as a decimal is 0.07. So you can enter that in your calculator and find that at the end of the time period, you'll have $6,553.98. To find the interest that's earned, you just have to subtract that minus your initial investment to find out how much of that money is interest. And in the IB, they need you to show all your steps. So even if you could have subtracted that in your head, you want to write it down to show what you did. For number 2, we have £5,000 invested for 4 years at 3% interest compounded quarterly. Find the value of the investment at the end of this period. So quarterly is 4 times per year. So the number of times that the interest is compounded is 4 times each year times 4 years. So the interest is compounded 16 times. And that goes here. The interest rate is 3%, which is written as 0.03. But because the interest is compounded 4 times a year, you have to divide that by 4 to find out the interest rate each quarter. So this number, 0.0075, that will go here for I. Then use your calculator and you'll get 5,634.96 pounds.